Forget everything you think you know about Kuala Lumpur. Beneath the skyscrapers and luxury malls hides a city that never sleeps, where street food sizzles at midnight, neon lights blaze like fire, and every step pulls you deeper into the wildest night walk of your life. You've just landed at Kuala Lumpur Airport, officially known as KLIA, a place where the humidity hits you like a warm hug and the smell of spices already whispers, this trip's going to be unforgettable. As you step into the city, you're not just visiting, you're stepping into a living, breathing contrast of old and new. From towering skyscrapers to back alley hawker stalls, from the silence of ancient temples to the chaotic rhythm of late-night street beats. This isn't just a Kuala Lumpur walking tour, this is a journey into the heart of Malaysia's capital, where Kuala Lumpur nightlife pulses like electricity and every street corner tells a story. The daytime walk, Kuala Lumpur Walk, begins. Let the walk begin. Start your Kuala Lumpur walk in the golden daylight hours, maybe around Jalan Raja. Here, colonial architecture stands proud beside modern glass giants. Feel the past and the future collide with every step. Cross over to Merdeka Square, then wander into Chinatown, where the scent of sizzling satay and the sound of clinking chopsticks guide your way. As you continue, you'll stumble upon Little India, a neighborhood splashed in color, incense, and the thump of Bollywood beats. It's all part of the KL rhythm, where diversity doesn't just exist, it thrives. This isn't just sightseeing, this is street seeing. Luxury meets culture. Hotel stop, EQ Kuala Lumpur. Midday heat slowing you down, time to recharge in style. Head into EQ Kuala Lumpur Hotel, one of the most luxurious stops in the city. This isn't just a hotel, it's a sky-high oasis. Take a dip in the infinity pool and soak in panoramic views of the Petronas Towers, the beating heart of the city. And here's a tip, come back at night. The Rooftop bar transforms into one of the sleekest Kuala Lumpur nightlife spots, where cocktails flow as city lights shimmer below. But for now, back to the streets. Sunset to nightlife. Bukit Bintang awakens. As the sun sets, KL changes costume. And nowhere is the transformation more dramatic than Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. This is where the pulse of the city hits its peak. The streets of Bukit Bintang glow in neon. Street performers, pop-up food stalls, and a million conversations in 100 different languages fill the night air. You're not walking anymore. You're floating through color, noise, flavor. This is the epicenter of Kuala Lumpur nightlife. Whether you're into street food, high-end dining, or rooftop lounges, Bukit Bintang delivers with swagger. Grab a seat at Jalan Alor, KL's legendary food street. Order some char kway teow or satay skewers. Watch the chefs toss fire into the air like magicians. This isn't just dinner, this is theater. Hidden gems and unexpected moments. But here's where it gets real interesting. Venture off the main road and you'll find unexpected gems. A hidden speakeasy disguised as a bookstore. A local uncle making teh tarik, Malaysian pulled tea, with more flair than a Las Vegas bartender. An impromptu dance circle right on the sidewalk. This is the magic of a Kuala Lumpur vlog that doesn't just stick to the itinerary, it lets the night lead. Follow the laughter. Chase the music. Let the scent of grilled durian, yes, durian, pull you into an experience you didn't know you needed. Wrapping up the night, the city that doesn't sleep. Hours pass like minutes. It's 2 a.m., but the streets still buzz. Taxis zoom by, late-night snackers hunt for one last bite, and KL still breathes loud and alive. This is the real Kuala Lumpur walk, not the version from glossy travel brochures, but the living one. The city that invites you in, feeds you, dazzles you, and then dares you to leave. But you won't forget it. If this night walk through Kuala Lumpur lit a spark in your wanderlust, imagine where the next video could take you. Hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Drop a like if you felt the energy of KL through your screen. And comment below, which city should we walk next? The world is waiting, and the best walks don't come with maps, they come with moments. See you in the next one.